New project just showed up. Picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace for 60 bucks. I've been looking for another one of these to complement mine. This is a 30 gallon, mine's a 33. 6 horsepower, mine's also 6 horsepower. I suspect this and that are all the same. I hope. I've got parts for it. He said that it ran fine. It just took a long time to charge up. So let's plug it up, see what it sounds like. Completely empty. That's blowing air out the intake. That sounds like a busted rod or something in there. Well, looks like we've got a bigger project than we thought. Anything can be fixed, as my dad said. There ain't nothing so broke it just can't be fixed. So, at least the motor runs. I think anything else can be repaired. So we'll get started on it.